Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking down my 6 months old braid with you all. Do not ask me why I left this braid for so long. In life, things like this do happen. But all I'm doing right now is taking down this braid with you guys. This braid was done last year. I did this braid somewhere around December 2020 and now we are in June 2021. So my hair has really grown in this process, and if you are someone who does not like to see flakes or build up, please, this video is not for you. So I just go ahead to use a scissors and try to locate where my hair ended. Then I cut off the braid because this extension I do not need it anymore, so I'm just going to cut it to make the process easy for me. Then I will start with the takedown process. So guys, in this process, like I said, my hair has really grown. I will try to insert pictures of how my hair was before I did this braid. My hair is matted. I can't even walk my hands inside my hair. So this hair, I actually shampoo this hair 6 times. That is once a month. For 6 months, I shampoo this hair 6 times. But guys, the build-up is real. The build-up is real. So I would just take down this hair and I try to detangle this hair with you guys, and we are going to see how much shadings I will be having from the 6 months old braid takedown. If you want to retain length, low manipulation is the best thing you can do to your hair. Do more of protective hairstyles. Actually, it wasn't my intention to keep this hair for that long, but like I said, in life, things like this do happen. I do appreciate my length retention because hair do grow differently. This might not be much to you, but with me, it is worth appreciating. The white spot on my hair was the base of the braid. I mean the grip of the braid. This is how much hair I have gained in 6 months. Now, if you are watching me for your very first time, hi, my name is Prudy. I do hair care, protective hairstyles. Please join the family by subscribing to the channel and clicking on the notification bell down so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. I think I've been talking a lot, so let me quickly finish up with the takedown process so that we can proceed with the detangling process. Yeah, I'm just trying to separate the build up, especially around my edges. Then I will section my hair in four, spray some water, and start combing with a white tooth comb. When combing, if I feel any knot, I will just use my finger to separate it while I add more water. When I'm done with that, I will use my DIY clarifying shampoo to shampoo the hair. The video of how I made this shampoo will be on my channel next. This shampoo is amazing. It just helps to take out all the build-ups. So guys, that we have come to the end of this video. I will just let you to watch the rest of the video and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down. So thank you all for watching and stay positive. Bye.